Good morning dear students. In today's class we are going to learn how to draw the digestive system. Okay. So the digestive system is totally containing 5 steps. Okay. So dear students, when the procedure is start from the mouth and till the removal part of the wastage food, this procedure is containing some body parts. Okay. So this route or this canal is called as the alimentary canal. Okay. So the digestive system is also known as the alimentary canal in human beings. Okay. So as we are learning about the digestive system in human beings, so this canal is known as the alimentary canal in human being. So dear students, when we are going to start how to draw the digestive system, first we have to give the boundary lines. Okay. So here make a half circle here. Okay, make a half circle here, and how the human beings have nose, we have to draw here one nose. Okay, so after drawing the half circle we have to draw here nose, then after the nose we have to draw here a mouth. Okay, this is our mouth. So with the help of mouth itself we are going to have our food. Okay, so this is the mouth. Okay, this is the mouth. So dear students, so if the mouth shape is not good, no problem, because we have to just show the mouth part. So here extend this boundary line in this manner and draw a neck part here. Okay, draw a neck part here. Okay, so this is our neck part, and give a proper shape of human being. Okay, give a proper shape of human being. So draw here two hands. Okay, draw here two hands, and then later on just give a next curving as a shape of human being. Okay, so this is your body structure of human being. Now after drawing this mouth, okay, so the next concept we are going to start the digestive system from the food pipe. Okay, from the food pipe. This is also have the connectivity done with the nose. Okay, so this is our food pipe. Okay, this is our food pipe. So dear students, in the biology or in a science language, here we have to give some names here. Okay, so we will going to start to naming these parts as a pharynx. Okay, so it is attached to the nose as well as the mouth. So which part it is? Pharynx. 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 Okay, then this pharynx part, it will going to continue in the form of pipe. Okay, so this is nothing but the food pipe. Okay, this is nothing but the food pipe. Okay, so this food pipe is known as the esophagus. Esophagus. So what is the spelling of esophagus? That is O-E-S-O-P-H-A-G-U-S. Esophagus. Okay, so this is also known as the food pipe. Then later on, after extending this food pipe, again we have to make here half circle in this manner. Okay, so here one line it will going to go here, and again another side. Okay, so this is another half circle, and just again make here one pipeline itself. Okay, so you have to give here one half circle like a curve. Okay, so this you have done. Then next, don't show here the continuation part of this food pipe. Again just draw here this continue pipe as a in kaju shape. Okay, okay, this is your Kaju shape. So this is your Kaju shape. Then you have to go for the 3 formula. Here you have to draw here 3 formula. Okay. Okay. You have to draw here 3, 3, 3. Then you have to write reverse 3. Okay. So you have to draw here reverse 3. So just you have to draw in this manner. Okay. So this is your one boundary line of digestive system. Again some parts we have to add here. So after done this concept, we have to again draw here one of the bread like half bread like structure. Okay, this is one of the bread like structure, and again here one point will going to extend here in the form of like a flowers. Okay, so this is one idea. We cannot predict that this have a same particular shape, but this have a one shape which can be observed by our scientists. Okay, through the microscope they have mentioned that this part it will going to be shaped in this manner itself. Okay, so let us discuss one by one the organ part of our body. So already we have pharynx and the food pipe we have done. If you want, you can write here mouth also. Mouth, which is also called as the canal cavity. Okay, so this is our pharynx, mouth and canal cavity. The later food pipe, it is also called as the esophagus. Okay, then come to the next part. Okay, come to the next part. So which part it is? It is the diaphragm. Okay, diaphragm, D-I-A-P-H-A-R-G-M, diaphragm or diaphragm. Okay, and next part is the liver. Okay, what is the spelling of liver? L-I-V-E-R. This is the liver. Okay, so here the next part we are going to show here, that is the pancreas. Sorry, here this part is the stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. Okay, and here again we have to draw another part like a tree shape itself. Okay, so this is another extended part in this manner. Okay, so this part is considered as the pancreas. This part is called as the pancreas. Okay, then after the pancreas, okay, then after the pancreas, the next concept will come here, that is the large intestine. Large intestine. So that much we have completed. Then go for the small intestine. Okay, so how to draw small intestine? Usually the small intestine in this manner. Okay, this having the folding like structure. This having the folding like structure. So you can draw in any way. If you want, you can draw in this way. Okay, it's having the folding like structure, and this small intestine, just you write here, this is the small intestine. Okay, this small intestine itself containing 3 major parts. Okay, 3 major parts. You can also called as the DIJ. Okay, so what is the full form of DIJ? That is, D is duodenum. Okay, duodenum. I is the ileum or alum, and J is jejunum. Okay, So what are the full form of the DEIJ? That is the duodenum, ileum, jejunum. Okay. So where it is existing? It is existing in small intestine. Okay, where it is there? In our small intestine. Okay, so when this alimentary canal, it will going to end here. Okay, so what happens after the large intestine? It will going to add here. Okay, so here one part will come. We have to study that. That is the rectum. Okay, what is that? It is the rectum. What is spelling of rectum? R-A-C-T-U-M, and where the alimentary canal it will going to end here, that is called as the anum. Okay, this will going to called as a anum. So this is very simple structure of digestive system. Here some of the other parts are also there to learn here. Okay, but if you draw this much in the examination, you will get totally 5 marks with a neat diagram as well as the proper identification with their names of the parts. Okay, so this is the typical structure of human digestive system, where it will going to start with the help of the mouth. Okay, then next is it will go, the food will going to be transport to our another parts of the body. Okay, so here whatever steps are there in the nutrition, in modes of the nutrition in animals, they are going to be follow here. Okay, so in the next class what we are going to do, we are going to learn the mechanism or how this digestive system is work. We will going to study in the next class. Till that time just go for the practice itself. So here once again I am repeating what are the main points should be cover here, that is pharynx, mouth cavity, esophagus, diaphragm, liver, small intestine, large intestine, pancreas, stomach, anum and the rectum. Actually another concepts are there. If you want to draw here, again you can draw the lines between the large intestine. Okay, no problem. So the lines are there. This is nothing but the adverse colon and the transverse colon. Okay, but no need to show that. If you are drawing this much, no problem, you will get full marks. So just practice for this human digestive system minimum 5 to 6 times, you will get a perfect shape of the human digestive system. So just try again. So dear students, let's meet in the next class, and we will going to study there what? We are going to study the mechanism of human digestive system. So dear students, just till that time make a practice of this human digestive system. Have a good day. Bye bye.